I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates were mixed on Friday following an incredibly strong housing report, which showed a 26.9% increase in new home transactions last month when compared to February. At first, mortgage rates jumped higher, but then subsided. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 5% with 1 3/4 points, up 1/8 of a point from Thursday for an extra cost of $125 on a $100,000 loan. The 5 1/4% rate was unchanged at 3/8 of 1 point. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage saw the 4 3/8% rate at 1.5 points, up 1/8 of a point. The 4.5% rate is still at 5/8 of 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system with immediate news on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up. And if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service is less than $1 a day. As mentioned, March new home sales jumped to a 411,000 annualized pace, which was way above the upwardly revised February level. The April 30th deadline for signing a purchase contract to receive the big IRS tax credit provided a huge boost. Next Wednesday, the Fed will issue its latest proclamation on monetary policy. The expectation is for no change in the current Fed funds rate, which is sitting at 0.25%. To learn more about my Rate Alert Now service, check out my interview by KGO Radio's consumer watchdog Michael Finney, which took place live on the air last weekend. You can hear it on my homepage at RateAlertNow.com. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. Check back here on Monday evening for my next free mortgage rate update.